So your dream home exterior looks amazing, designed by some XYZ architect, but your interior doesn't look up to the mark because of no proper lighting setup. So in this video you will know the types of artificial lightings used in interior design and their uses, and more importantly you will know exactly how to set up these interior lightings like a professional. So without wasting more time, let's get started. Ambient lighting, is also known as general lighting, is the key light for any interior lighting setup. So what is the use of ambient lighting? It helps to light up a particular area equally. In this scene we have LED cove light attached to the false ceiling, from which we are getting the ambient lighting, which is very soft and dimmable. Other common examples include cove lighting that reflects light of walls. Accent lighting is mainly used to highlight or focus an object to draw the viewer's attention. Generally it's 3 times brighter than ambient lighting to create a contrast. In this scene we have used recessed ceiling light to get accent lighting. On the left side it's highlighting the top and the artificial plant on top of it, and on the other side it's highlighting the plain wall. Wall lights, track lights, wall mounted picture lights are some examples of accent lighting. As the name implies, task lighting helps users achieve specific goals or tasks. It focuses on the area where the task will be performed. Here in this scene we have used table lamps to get the task lighting, which is also acting as ambient and decorative lighting. Some common examples of task lighting includes under cabinet lights, guidance lights, bollard lights. The name itself describes that this lighting is mainly used for decoration purpose. It creates moody and dramatic lighting effect. It also increases the creativity of a place drastically. Here in this scene we have used chandelier to get the decorative lighting, which is also acting as ambient and task lighting. Some common examples of decorative lighting includes pendant lights, portable lights, wall decor lights, and so on. Those were the 4 primary lightings, but point to be noted that there can be multiple lighting setup in the same scene or only a single lighting setup. For our case we have multiple lighting setup, which includes lightings as follows. Here we have the valence light acting as accent lighting to highlight the curtains. So what is valence light? Valence light is a type of indirect light that can be directed upward, downward, or in both directions, where the top acts as a cove light and the bottom as a soffit light. It generally runs along a wall and is great for bedrooms, kitchens, and living rooms. It provides a soft glow that can enhance the mood and atmosphere of a room. We have the floor lamp in the scene, which is acting as both ambient as well as task lighting. Floor lamps are popular in living rooms, bedrooms, and other areas where overhead lighting may not be sufficient or mood setting light is desired. They come in a variety of styles, sizes, and shapes, ranging from traditional to modern, and can be made from various materials such as metal, wood, glass, and fabric. We have the track lights acting as both accent and ambient lighting. In this scene it is used to highlight the portraits hanged on the wall. It has a track where lights are mounted and can be directed in various ways. It gives user more flexibility and control over lighting in a space. Track lights are popular for their versatility, energy efficiency, and ability to highlight specific areas or objects in a room. They come in a variety of styles and finishes to match different decor styles and can be used for both residential and commercial applications. And this is how the scene looks when all the lights are turned on simultaneously. So hope this video gave you an idea of how different types of lightings are used to create professional and creative interior looks. You can always implement them in your future projects. Also hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned a few things. If you guys did get any interest, be sure to hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss any of my future videos. You can also hit me up on my social media networks. Links are in the description below. You can also download the 3D models being my Patreon and watch what I'm up for the next project. This is Deep Jyoti from Marketing. See you next time.